Hi everyone. Do you constantly find yourself saying yes to plans that you desperately do not want to attend to? Or you find yourself saying yes to people who you know are taking advantage of you, but you still do it? You feel guilty when you don't do it. You feel stressed when you say no to someone. And you feel that when you are putting yourself aside and telling someone yes, for no reason whatsoever, you're being a nice person, then I'm sorry to tell you, but you're not being a nice person. That is called people pleasing. People pleasing does not automatically equals you being a nice person, a good girl, or a good boy. That's not how it works. People pleasing is a tendency which is a character flaw and not a personality trait. If you think that you are a people pleaser, oh, I'm just a people pleaser, and you think that's your personality, then no. It is your nervous system regulation issues. Now, the question is, why is people pleasing there? Why do we do that? Why does it exist? Number one, trauma from the past, from your childhood, when it could be a relationship between you and your caregiver. When they asked you to do something and you would say no to them, they just cannot take no for an answer. They would get angry, they would give you silent treatment, and these kind of behavior made you associate saying no as a negative thing. Whenever you say no to someone, you feel the strain, you feel the stress, you feel that okay, I'm doing something wrong. And the person, you focus on their emotions rather than focusing on yourself, and that's something that is completely wrong. When you focus on someone else's emotions first, what happens is for that tiny bit of moment, your body releases dopamine. So you feel good. You feel that, oh, I have done my part, I've made this other person happy. But what does that tell you? You are making someone else happy and you are being sad. You know that you do not want to do this. But when you try to say no to someone, your cortisol rises up and you again feel the stress of the moment. You feel the dread, you feel the guilt. And this is the reason that maybe from the past, maybe from past experiences, you have learned to protect yourself, your emotions, your mind from all this stress. And then you start saying yes to people. But there is a way that we can break this cycle. How to deal with people pleasing? Now, if you are a chronic people pleaser, this is in your DNA at this moment that you are going to say yes to everything and anything, but you really do not want to, and you want to break the cycle, then yes, there are ways to break the cycle. Number one, ground yourself. Now, this is a very simple, very common, basic thing, but yes, the simplest thing works the best. When you ground yourself, when you stay in the moment, when you are present with your own self, you learn a lot of things about your body. What do you learn about yourself? If your mind is racing with thoughts when you're sitting down to meditate and you feel that it's not working, then the difference here is that when you sit with yourself, you start to notice what you feel in your body. The calmness creeps in, the silence creeps in, the doubts creeps in. And when you start to differentiate between these different feelings and emotions that rise up in your body, it is easier to discern it when someone else is present. It is very easy to differentiate between other people's emotions and your own emotions. When you sit with yourself and you feel the multitude of emotions and feelings that arise in your own body, you can then move out of the space when someone else tries to enter it forcefully. That is the reason that you need to learn how to ground yourself. Number two, do not feel guilty saying no. When you start practicing saying no again and again and again and again, that's when you break the cycle. You would feel guilty for the first 5 times, 10 times, 20, 25, 50 times. But after a certain point, you would realize that whenever you say no, you are saying yes to yourself. You're agreeing to do something for your own body, for your own mind, for your own self, rather than pressurizing yourself due to someone else. You start to feel good. You will start to feel good. You will start to enjoy saying no more often when you do certain things. Number three, when you know that you might or potentially encounter a situation where you have the tendency of giving in, try to mentally rehearse the situation. You mentally rehearse saying no to someone, rehearse yourself standing up for yourself, understanding or making your coworker or your friend understand your boundaries. When you start to rehearse it, it's much easier when you project it outwards. So that is the third thing you could do. And the fourth thing is, see how your body feels. When you focus on how your body feels, you would realize that our body gives us cues when it's dysregulated. So when you start to feel a little bit of anxiety, maybe your shoulders are really tense, you're slouched, your neck is little tight, your chest feels closed. The body type, your body posture really imitates what is going on in your mind. Take a deep breath in, focus on opening your chest, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your neck, and when you know a certain situation is coming, be confident. Do not go in the constant guilt of it. Focus on understanding and knowing that this is for myself. Standing up for myself is never a bad thing, it's a good thing. So remember, people pleasing is your nervous system dysregulation. It's not a bad thing because it's helping you live your life, but after a certain point, you do not need it. You do not need people pleasing in your life, and you can break the cycle. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.